good. So today we're going to be shooting the clear coat stage on this Mitsubishi ASX. So this colour here is a 3-stage fill. I had a second-hand door. That was a brand new fender, a original front bumper cover, and a blend on that rear door, and a little repair down the bottom on the A-pillar. So yeah, 3-stage fill as I just said. So that was I put the wet on wet down first on the fender and the door, and a little touch on that bumper cover too. Then put the work down, then put the tail down. I then gave it, say, a 10-minute bake, just because there's lots of material there. There's your wet on wet, your white, and then your 2 coats of white, your 2 coats of pearl. So yeah, quite a bit of material on there, but that's why I gave it a bit of a bake. And the gel I'm using today is the GPi, and I used this a few times last week. I had someone leave a comment on my review saying it's a shit gun, or they didn't like it, put too much on 1.4. I mean, I haven't used this gun for clear for a while previous to last week, and yeah, the first job I used this gun on for clear, I had the fluid wound right out, and man, it was overkill. So I can see where he's coming from about this being a bit too much for, thin and clear. But I just wound that fluid in. So today I've got it, so I wound it right in and then came out 2.5 turns on the fluid. And this, so obviously this is a Mitsubishi, and Mitsubishis don't really put much clear on their cars at all. Most painters would know that. They're just as bad as Mazdas. They really don't put much material on. So to replicate that finish, you've got to get a pretty tight heel on it, tight finish to it. And it's definitely achievable. Like I did another Mitsubishi last week with this car, and yeah, it came out fine, totally fine. So I think these are, I do stand by that review, which I gave it, a pretty good review. It's more than capable of handling the Flickr Clear Coat, the VOC product, even your direct loss VOCs really well. You can wind that fluid right out and it'll just pump it on. But need be on a job like this where you do want to clear like a Japanese style finish with minimal material on it, you can wind that fluid in a little bit and replicate those finishes too. I had a comment on one of my videos recently saying, hey, you should do a top 5 clear coat gun review. I thought, geez, why didn't I ever think of that? Because, I've got my top 10 video, but never just about clear coat, Never done a review just about clear coat guns. But yeah, that's what I always say, you guys give me feedback and ideas. I'm always open. If I think it's a good idea, I'll probably use it, So yeah, I'm just whacking this bumper cover here. That's all you really need. So I'm using the standoff standard clear with the VOC hardener in it. 2530 was the hardener I've got in the gun at the moment. Yeah, whites can be a bit tricky to see because they're not as reflective as your darker colours. It can be a little bit tricky to see where you haven't sprayed yet. You don't get the reflection like you do on the, see you're looking for it. There you go, man, that's a very nice finish on that. There's no reason with the same settings you shouldn't be able to replicate the same finish, So as I say, yeah, this is a 1.4, but just wound in a bit. I think I'm going to run out of clear, matey. See how we go, because I've still got to paint the entire inside of that door. Yeah, mixed up 800 mils. I think I just said that. Probably should have gone 850 to 900 nearly. one big chunker right there, but the finish is yeah, you can't argue with that really. I don't think you can. Probably should be turning that pressure down a bit so I don't, hopefully it won't run out. Actually, I think we'll make it. We're going to make it, Kenneth. Woo! I don't think I'm going to run out anymore. I always do that. When you're getting like halfway through or close to the end, you're like, oh, we're gonna run out. See man, that's killer. That's a really nice finish on that. It's actually quite flat. It's got a very fine, tight peel to it. Bar pressure, 2.5 turns out on the fluid, standard clear, gunning behind the gun. Loves it, baby, loves it. Just enough. That's pretty efficient, really. Like 800 mils over all of that. That's, you know, it's not going through any more than the Pro Light. Put it that way. Which is my most efficient gun. You know, it definitely doesn't go through as much as things like the Starter Jet and like the Starter 5000 and the iWater, you know. Pretty efficient gun, capable of brilliant results, under $300. You're onto a winner right there, man. And it's versatile. You can go 1.8, you can get 1.4, 1.6 or 1.8. So, you know, that's why I do recommend it to a lot of people that just want one gun. You can get the 1.4 for your base coats, your colour, your clear coat, 2K direct loss. As I say, wind it in when you are using it for colour and clear maybe. If you need to, you might be using a really thick clear coat and you might want to have it wound right out. You know, so yeah, there's nothing wrong with that gun at all, man. Yeah, this gun just sits there and doesn't get used a great deal.